Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2023. Question number 7A is in the context of thermal comfort, 1. Differentiate among adiabatic equivalent temperature, humid operative temperature, and effective temperature. 2. Differentiate among PMV index, T sense, and DSC. 3. Describe the method used to control contaminants for maintaining indoor air quality. So this is very lengthy question and I have downloaded the answer from internet. I will just read the answer. Adiabatic equivalent temperature refers to the temperature an air parcel would reach if all its moisture was removed through an adiabatic process, cooling by expansion without heat exchange, essentially representing the temperature of the air it were completely dry. Okay, so that is your first part. Second is humid operative temperature is measure of combined effect of air temperature and humidity on person's thermal comfort, taking into account both convective and radiant heat transfer. And third is effective temperature is a single temperature value that combines the effect of air temperature, humidity, and air movement to represent the perceived thermal sensation experienced by a human body in a given environment. So adiabatic equivalent temperature definition calculated by using imagining an air parcel undergoing adiabatic expansion until it reaches saturation, then removing all moisture through condensation and finally compressing the dry air back to the original pressure. Used primarily in metallurgy to understand the potential heating effect of condensation when air is lifted and cooled. And humidity operative temperature, a measure of combined thermal impact of air temperature and humidity, taking into account both convective heat transfer, bracket air movement and radial heat transfer from surrounding surfaces. Often used in building design to assess thermal comfort levels in within a space. Effective temperature, a single temperature value that represents the perceived thermal sensation based on a combination of air temperature, humidity, and air velocity. Can be calculated using various formulas and is considered a more comprehensive measure of thermal comfort compared to just air temperature. Okay. So these were the three first answer to first question. Now the second part is differentiate between PMV index, P sense, and DSC. So first of all, PMV index, that is predicted mean mode. PMV index is a metric that predicts how a group of people will feel about the temperature of a space. It is used to assess thermal comfort in buildings. And T sense is thermal sensation. Thermal sensation is the sense of how hot or cold something is and is key part of touch perception. It's a psychological response to state of thermoceptor in body. And third is differential scanning calorimeter. DSC is a technique that measures how much heat is required to change the temperature of a material. It is used to study the thermal properties of materials including polymer, metals, and pharmaceuticals. Okay, so that is the answer to second part, second question. And now third question is describe the method used to control the contaminants for maintaining indoor air quality. So to control contaminants and monitor indoor air quality, key methods include proper ventilation using air purifiers with HEPA PA filters, regularly cleaning, using low VOC products, controlling humidity, utilizing exhaust fans, monitoring random levels, limiting smoking indoors, and maintaining HVAC systems, all while using dedicated indoor quality IAQ monitoring devices to track pollutant level in real time. So the key points about controlling indoor contaminants, first is ventilation. The most critical method to dilute indoor pollutants is by ensuring adequate fresh air intake through proper ventilation, like opening windows or using a well functioning HVAC system with fresh air intake. Next is surface control, addressing the source of contaminants by limiting activities like smoking indoors, using low VOC cleaning products, and choosing low emitting building materials. Next is exhaust fans. Use exhaust fan in kitchens and bathrooms to remove cooking fumes and moisture, preventing pollutants. Next is humidity control. Maintaining appropriate humidity levels within a space can help control the growth of mold and mildew. Random testing. Regularly test for random a naturally occurring radioactive gas as it can accumulate in homes and pose health risks. Cleaning practices. Regular cleaning with appropriate methods and products can significantly reduce dust and allergens. IOQ monitoring. Utilize dedicated indoor air quality monitor to track levels of pollutants like particulate matter, carbon dioxide, volatile organic compounds, and other relevant contaminants.